quickly go to a new set of things. We have shared the domain ID to everyone, each and every individual, I suppose. Everybody has got the domain ID.
Yes.
Anybody is facing any challenges or difficulty in accessing those IDs? You can please, we can raise that issue. I can assist you for that as well. Actually, everybody has attempted or not tried. Anybody? Mr. Rajan is saying.
I have the issue. I try again.
Acha. Yes, Kunalji. Kunalji was saying something.
Not sure. I was wrong. I'm hard to hear it.
Is your ID working perfectly? Acha, to others, everybody is fine with their IDs and all?
Not able to hear. One, I'll read.
Okay. So, Kunalji, if you can try it out across. Now, if you are facing any difficulties or challenges, you can call me directly. I will be trying to address it. Okay. Meanwhile, others, anybody is facing any challenges? So I think everybody is clear till here, right?
Yes. Yes, sure.
Just only two. If you can a little bit be participative, it will be helpful for me to understand. Like, fair enough. So for our next like a few days, past 6 days, today is the 6th day. Understanding any feedback, any suggestion from your end, that is it okay? You're facing difficulties, challenges. Any understanding problem?
Nothing as such, Mr. Soma.
Okay.
It's going good.
It went good. Great, great, great. Acha. And I want to ask you one small thing to all my team members. We have shared across one assignment to you all, each and everybody. So can you please help me out? Yes, Swati.
Hello. Shomu, please repeat the CV branding section once. Just the logo, how and how we set the things, the branding and all. Kindly repeat it.
Somuda, actually, Ankita requested it to me to show the branding part once again, if possible. So, if you can do it, please help the team.
Branding part. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Ankita is
yes.
there, I suppose? Yes,
Yes,
Ankita.
yes, yes.
Okay, CV branding part. Okay. Just a second. Let me open one CV. Just a second. My net is little bit slow right now.
Okay, it's okay.
Just a second. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, Shomo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ankita, you can see it, right? Fine. So let me first start with the branding part. So whenever first, before going forward with the branding, let me quickly tell you about the first renaming of the CV. How you will be renaming it. First, it will be the name of the candidate. Okay, the initials, the name and the surname initials should be capital, and everything will be in the continued like sentence format. Next, we will be giving an underscore. Next, after that underscore, for which position that person has applied, you have to mention that position. Next is the client for which you are processing the profile, attached with an underscore, and finally the location for which this candidate is applying. The renaming part is clear, Ankita and team?
Yes, Shomo.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So Ankita, you can also unmute yourself sometimes so that we can hear you all, right? So after this renaming of the CV, next comes the branding part. There is two different part of branding. Okay, uh, first is whenever we are sending a client to a CV to a client. Okay, if we are supposed to attach the job application form, the starting will be the SMVS job application form, and we will be attaching the logo also at the top. It should be at the left hand side of the page. Okay, then the form will follow, and finally the next page, the name of the the CV of the candidate. Clear up till here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the thing is that this particular uh, logo is mandatory, because through this only client will be understanding that this profile has been shared by SMVA consultants and not somebody, like you can say it's a trademark sort of thing. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And for instance, if you are having a CV which is in a PDF format, okay, for any PDF format, through you can just simply search in Google, and you can convert that particular CV from PDF to what format. This is one ID, which is, I will be sharing the link also to everybody. You can use from here, or I love PDF. This is also a site from where you can, you know, convert the profiles. So it's completely up to you from where you convert it. Clear? So if it's a PDF
Yes.
format, you can convert it from this different sites, a couple of sites which I've shared to you. You can use this, or else there is another provision for any PDF file. You can simply copy that PDF file and paste it in a simple Word document. That is also a provision, if at all that is permissible. So if I can have any PDF file, I can show you. Acha, this is one which Ankita herself she has shared. For instance, if we are getting this sort of profiles, so let me try to, you know, copy and paste it, and I'm pretty sure I will not succeed in this particular thing. See, if this be the case, we cannot convert it. Okay. Or let me simply try to convert this. I'll be showing you on hands-on mode what exactly happens to the CV. I'm converting it. See, this is a converted CV, but we cannot edit anything. Fine. So
Yes.
when we are having this kind of CV, okay, and as you know, we have to, attach this form. That time, what we will be doing is we will be simply inserting one blank page out here. Clear? And this particular form, along with this logo, I will be pasting here. See, this is the way. Now, sometimes this sort of confusion might happen. Okay, in that case, what you will be doing it? Like how you will be tackling this sort of things. Okay, in that situation, simply keep this particular file in PDF format. Okay, copy this entire entity in a single, paste it in a Word format. Rename it as what? Tania Rastogi. Tania. And share it with the consult person. See, Tania Rastogi automation and Tania Rastogi form. Like, this is the form. Copy this two and send it across. If the file is, if you are unable to do this, like the editing part of the PDF files.
काका तुम्ही मोबाईलवर तुम्हाला स्क्रीन दिसते आहे ना
कुणालजी
त्याच्यावरती क्लिक केल्यानंतर
are you saying something? I am unable to understand. Kunalji, acha, I think Kunalji was speaking to somebody else. Yes, Ankita, is it clear right now? Okay. This, yes. If you are facing this kind of difficulties, try to try to convert it. If you are unable to convert it, keep the PDF file intact, make a different page, paste the form and send it to the client acquisition manager. Actually, this is the best we can do. Sure? Superb. So is it clear?
Yes, Shoma.
Okay. And how about others?
Yes.
Of course, Monica. This CV and the form should be in a single mail. Else sharing it won't make any sense. Sharing it separately. Superb. So any other doubts you want me to address? Okay, fair enough. I think everybody is I think everybody is clear up till here. So yesterday we have shared you one assignment to both our internal HO team and to our uh, extended family. So any progress, any update for that? The making of the videos, the 3 tasks which I have given to you. Can you please help me out to understand what is the progress for that? Because I have received only couple of mails from my internal team. How about others? Are you aware what task I'm talking about?
I have shared.
Now, actually, I was speaking to my extended family. Are you aware what exactly you were supposed to do? Anyone? Okay, Vaishli. Because Vaishli, you have shared the name of the this thing companies. Only your video is pending.
Video and the phone contact is pending, sir.
Okay, okay. Fair enough. So to for our greater audience, let me share it here as well. This is the task which was shared yesterday. Fine. So team Gaurav sir is here today. So he has some things to share with you all. So over to you, sir. Gaurav sir, you there?
Yes, Shomu, I'm here.
Yes, yes, yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. So, guys, am I audible? Clear? Everything is good?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
awesome. So, today, my discussion is how we can become a member of SMBA consultants online on LinkedIn. Okay. So, let me start with that discussion how we can become a member of online. So, I have this particular discussion, which I will actually tell you is first we need to all be one part of the family. We all should be part of the same family, that is SMBA consultants. Who all are having an account on LinkedIn? Tell me yes, that okay, I'm having an account on LinkedIn. Who all are having an account on LinkedIn? Use the chat and say yes or no. Monica is saying yes, Shantani is saying yes, Ankita, R. Raj, yes, Shabuni, Wesley, Shuma Vedya, yes, okay. Chanchal Gupta, yes. Shomu, yes again. Okay. Tell me something.
Yes.
Everyone, great, great. So, tell me something. Are you all also a part of SMBA consultants online on LinkedIn? Are you tagged against SMBA consultants? Who is tagged again SMBA consultants? That okay, partner of SMBA consultants, recruiter of SMBA consultants, business development person of SMBA consultants. Everyone has done that, or everyone needs some advice on that? किसी को ये चीज सीखना है कि किस तरीके से you can become a part of SMBA. Suma Vaidya not done, okay? Not sure, okay? Swati need advice, okay? Others?
सीखना है.
अच्छा उमा जी, ओके, मैं देखता हूँ उसमें, मैं करवाता हूँ. निधि नीड एडवाइस, ओके, श्योर श्योर. So what I'll do is I'll open my screen, I'll share my screen so that you guys can understand how. Is my screen visible? Sorry, can you say that again? Okay, so I'm just opening LinkedIn now in front of all of you so that you guys can see how we can all become a part of SMBA consultants. Okay. Okay. So I will tell you guys some basic things about the LinkedIn. Some very, very basic things about LinkedIn so that you guys can all be presenting to the world your best version. Very, very important because LinkedIn is one platform wherein most of the world's eminent personalities are connected. Okay. So I'll first of all go on my page, view profile. Guys, these are very, very important discussions for LinkedIn itself, which will help you a lot. Can you see this area where 5 chairs are there?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell me what does this denote? 5 chairs? 5 chairs with one blue chair? Your own perception, please. Can use the chat or can unmute yourself and tell me. 5 chairs are there. क्या डिनोट करता है ये? Sorry?
Dais.
The voice is not very clear. Somebody who's
Dais.
Dais, okay. Can you please elaborate on that, Kunalji?
Yes. Some platform where we are sitting together, and the picture denotes that it's not. It is separate from the other 4, which is in same.
Okay, interesting. So Kunalji's version is everyone is sitting and one is different from the others. Okay. Others, anyone else can tell me what does it mean for you? What does it implement for you? This image, 5 chairs, co-founders and SMB consultants written on the top.
Sir, my perception is the center is the king's place. Right hand side is co-founders planet. Left hand side is SMVA platform. Together, it's a one entity.
Okay. Okay. So guys, why I'm showing this is, first of all, there can be different perceptions. So this particular image opens a can of worms in a very positive way, so that it gives you an idea to discuss and think about. So this is one image which doesn't say more, but it is open to your own perception. Somebody can also say that, okay, this is the image of a founder and others are co-founders. Somebody can say, these are the chairs outside in an interview room. Somebody can say these are waiting areas. So we are waiting for the chairs to be filled. Somebody, as Kunalji stated, that one person is different from others. So this particular image is making everyone think. So it is very, very important to utilize this space. This space is known as the cover picture. Everyone uses Facebook, right? So in Facebook also there is a cover image. So it is very, very important to use the cover image properly in your LinkedIn. Your cover image and your own picture, it should be utilized perfectly. Am I clear till now with respect to the 2 images?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Second point, this is known as the headline. So what I have written in the headline is curating million intrapreneurs, creating million intrapreneurs, founder SMBA consultants and co-founders planet, IIM Kashipur, chartered accountant, CA and business consultant. So basically this is what I do. I am trying to curate million intrapreneurs. Intrapreneurs means India plus entrepreneurs. So when you join these 2 terms, it becomes intrapreneurs. This is the term coined by SMBA consultants. So we want to curate these kind of entrepreneurs. Then if you'll actually go down, my providing services is there. What are the kind of services that I provide? Management consulting, HR consulting, business consulting, interview preparation. So if somebody goes in the details, can see. I prefer working remotely. I am currently in Kolkata and I accept free images. So I can also do career development coaching, human resources, resume writing, corporate writing. Many people do not use this providing services. Then comes about. So in about, I am very, very clearly I have defined what am I doing. So my name is this, son of my mentor, this. So see, I can help the following people with my knowledge: business owners, job seekers, HR heads. In my humble opinion, we are number one in this. So very, very important to utilize each and every aspect of your LinkedIn, because I'll tell you very honestly, I treat my LinkedIn page as my website. So this LinkedIn URL, which is my LinkedIn URL, is actually my website. So somebody comes and opens these things also is directed to something. Say for example, this particular, again, another important part is featured. So when you go to featured, you can see grow with the right business, pay for making first impression impactful. So grow with the right business, somebody clicks on this, open in the right link, they will be directed to the Razorpay link of SMBA consultants. They will be, see, pay for growth. So what I have done is I have created my LinkedIn page in such a manner that it becomes a landing page. See, best ROI with low opportunity, because I am here to sell franchise. Okay. So I've prepared it in such a way so that people can come and actually check out my page. If the answer is this, then this is the perfect opportunity for you, all these things. Then comes, see, all these kind of things you can utilize, people can click, and this becomes sort of a clickbait for me. It is a call to action. Somebody can click on this and can act. Somebody can click, say, somebody click on making first impression impactful. It is my course of 499 rupees. So somebody can come pay here directly. Gaurav Agarwal, phone number, email, occupation, location, pay, and 499 rupees gets credited to my account. So this kind of thing is very, very critical. And most important if I talk about is this part, which is very important for all of you also. When experience is written, when experience is there, say I have written co-founder SMBA consultant, founder co-founders planet, member TIE Silicon Valley, member Executive Recruiters Association, HR business partner Atal Incubation Center, career specialist Startup India, Indian Chamber of Commerce, TIE Oregon, NHRWA, TIE Kolkata. Show 4 more experiences. SMBA Group Managing Director, franchise owner Minafa, Middle East, North Africa, Capgemini, SP Mittal and Company. So all these things are clearly stated there. And what all of you can do is, you all are free to use the branding of SMBA consultants, my friends. So all can actually show themselves. I will use a very good term for every one of you. You guys can use that term for yourself. It is written SMBA consultants. I will use a very special term for all of you. You can actually use that for yourself so that you can look very different. I will use one term. Can everyone see this term? Growth
Yes, sir.
partner. We are all partner and trying to collaborate for growth. So all can actually do this and make this own designation of yours. So what you can do is growth partner and your specific location. Say for example, somebody is from Hyderabad, you can say growth partner location Hyderabad SMBA consultants. Somebody from Bangalore, SMBA consultants growth partner. Any location, you can use the term growth partner. Am I clear till now? How you can actually in LinkedIn show it to the world that you are connected with SMBA consultants? Shankar is clear. Others?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Others, what do you say?
Yes, sir.
So for all the franchise partners, one defined designation, growth partner. You become a growth partner to SMBA consultants, and there you can tag SMBA consultants. You can actually go and find SMBA consultants also. So I try SMBA consultant C. SMBA consultants I type, I get SMBA consultants. So what you guys can do, instead of making different kind of entities and trying to grow that is also possible. You can try that, fair enough. But parallelly, you can also try to utilize the brand name of SMBA consultants so that you can grow as an individual. You can brand yourself in a much better way. Raji, is it clear, the same thing we were discussing in the afternoon probably? Okay. So this is a very fine-tuned example. Raji, do you want to come on, probably, would you be comfortable to discuss with everyone the kind of issue, and you can help why this particular discussion I had to make so that the network can benefit? Will you be comfortable to discuss? क्या आप डिस्कस करना चाहते हो सबके साथ में कि क्यों ये अपने करना चाह रहे हैं सबके लिए? It will help the network. So idea is, when you actually show yourself as a growth partner, we all become a part of the unified entity. We are all becoming a part of the unified entity, and we can grow together there. Plus your own brand name is also getting increased. Next is, after talking about the experience, you guys can go down, and here you can also write the other things. After going into the experience, say education. Say I am Kashipur, chartered accountant, St. Xavier's College. So what you can do is, the videos which I asked you guys to prepare, you guys can also upload the URL of those videos here. Or you can show, we have shared some of the introductory videos of SMBA consultants. See, I have attached those kind of videos. If you actually see this in SMBA consultants, I have attached these videos myself. So what you can do is, you can also attach those kind of videos here so that your profile looks very, very rich. See, I have attached this, open link in new tab. So somebody can go. See this video. So I have attached all these things in my LinkedIn URL. All these things are attached on the LinkedIn URL. Education is clearly given. Education in details is given. And then skills and endorsement that comes from outsiders. Then recommendations I've received from multiple people. Accomplishment. So what you can do is, guys, in recommendations, you guys can ask for a recommendation, and you can also give recommendation. For example, say I ask for a recommendation to my person Kunal ji is already here. So I ask for a recommendation to Kunal Patel. So select relationship. Kunal managed you directly, reported directly, was senior. You work with Kunal in the same group. So this is what I click. Select your position at the time. I was the co-founder at SMB Consultants. Next. Hi Kunal, can you write me a recommendation as we follow a good working relationship? So I send it to him. Then what he can do is, once I write him a request, he can also in turn give me and request me for a recommendation. So what actually happens is, all these people will become, your profile is actually become more and more strong. And essentially this, as I always say, is your biodata. Because as an owner, my friends, your CV is nothing. you do not have a CV. Do you actually prepare a CV? Yes or no? As an owner, do we prepare a CV? Yes or no?
Not required, actually.
Not required. Not required. But tell me something, if you do not have a CV, how everybody will know you? Say I am sitting in Kerala. How will people know me? I need to have something, right? I need to have something called a biodata. Now, what is that biodata? The biodata is the LinkedIn itself. Now see the accomplishment. SMB newsletter is there. So these are some of the publications which has happened, some of the courses that I have done, languages that I know, honors, some of the awards and honors, some projects that I have done, my test scores, what are my interests. So very, very important. Each and everything. Is it clear? Any questions on LinkedIn till now? And are you clear how you can connect and utilize the brand of SMB consultants for your own branding? Do you find this discussion useful? Any questions on LinkedIn? I've just touched the LinkedIn part, but we will further discuss. There is another section where we are gonna talk more in detail about LinkedIn and how we can actually utilize LinkedIn to brand ourselves as an owner. Very, very critical and important. Very, very important. It is very important that you become a brand yourself also. Okay, so one task from my side today will be two things for LinkedIn. One task is for LinkedIn, but in LinkedIn, two tasks. So one is you become a growth partner. Number two, we write recommendations to each other. We write recommendations to each other. Works, doable, both the things, all the present people. Two tasks. We see as, I should see you guys as a growth partner. You take a photo of that, share it on our WhatsApp group. Second is sharing the recommendation. We talk to each other, we recommend each other to the world. So Shuma Vaidya is yes, saying yes. Others not comfortable with the task. Any other questions? Because I cannot see multiple yeses. Shankar is clear, okay.
I've already shared you one recommendation part.
Okay, thank you. Wesley, yes, clear. Swati is clear. Okay. Geeta is clear too. Okay, guys. So we should complete this assignment task also. Shrabani is clear. Okay. Thank you. And now open to questions. Raji is clear. Monica, awesome. So can you guys tell me where is the question? And till now, 7 days training is done. We will be coming up with more and more training sessions. What else? Any questions for the 7-day training sessions? Anything, please feel free to tell us. Okay, Shomu, have we actually on job posting on LinkedIn? Okay, so Raji, on this LinkedIn job posting part, so there is an exclusive session, if I'm not wrong, Shomu, with respect to. Okay, so that time you can take up that question of Raji. He's talking about the job posting on LinkedIn.
Yes, sir. So we do have that dedicated session for LinkedIn part, and also we are having one session for BD activity, which
Awesome.
Saurav will be taking, and
Awesome.
the LinkedIn session I will be taking myself.
Okay, and I would request Somo if we can try and also call somebody from Naukri.com directly, and he can give his 2 cents on probably how the business development is done, how the corporate sales can be done, because Naukri.com does it the best. So if we can do something like that also.
So we can incorporate on the day when we will be having this BD session.
Correct.
That we can request the concerned person,
Yeah.
right? So it will be a good session.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we can try that as well. And
try.
yeah. So and others with and Shomo, okay, can we get new clients and positions by reaching their own HRs? Can we get new clients and positions by reaching their own HRs? I'm unable to understand the question, Shankarji.
Hi,
Please
Gaurav.
unmute yourself.
Yeah, Gaurav. So my question is like we found some different profiles in LinkedIn, like direct HRs and hiring managers. So by reaching them directly, so can we get the direct positions into SMEA and the clients?
Okay. Yes. So I'll actually tell you there are some strategic things.
Sir, you have muted.
Okay, so there is a process there. I'll be very honest. So HRs can definitely be approached by LinkedIn, but when you see, I'll tell you, always give this example of credit card. Okay, please do not act like a credit card salesperson. Ki, sir, I have a credit card for you. This. Please don't do that. Always go the other way around. When nobody likes to be sold today. So if I talk about an HR, a CXO, co-founder, nobody likes to be sold today. So first always tell them talk about their problems. So first you should develop a relationship with the HR and talk to them ki boss, in your company you are recruiting, right? So what are the problems that you are facing? Then once the person talks about his or her problems, then you can say, I have a solution. I am currently the growth partner of SMBA consultants. So what I can do is I can try to help you there. I can try to help you as a growth partner of SMBA consultants. So this is my portfolio. Just try and browse through it. Probably I can eliminate that headache. So what will happen is, Shankar, you are not acting salesy there. So you need not be pitching it directly. So it is known as a passive sales and a very subdued manner of sales. Because the other person will also not like that if you directly act salesy. Hope that answers your question.
Yes, yeah. And I asked like if anyone knows me directly, if anyone close to me from the HR recruitment team, talent acquisition team, so can I apply this formula? Not unknown persons, the known persons.
Yes,
within
you
my
can.
circle.
But again, I will tell you, see, I'll give you one small example. Shankar is supposedly there in a wedding party. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when Shankar is in a wedding party, he meets supposedly one person who is an HR. So when he meets that person and directly goes and talk to him, say, hey boss, can you give me some openings? I have opened a consultancy.
No.
You understand what I'm trying to say? So what you can otherwise do is, there is a simple formula of 40, 20, 40. Have I discussed that formula with you all guys? 40, 20, 40. You guys want to know about this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Who all want to know about 40, 20, 40 formula?
Yes, sir.
I've already discussed, right? So
the internal team only.
okay, the internal team knows that. So you discussed, right? So I've already discussed about the Kunal Patil says I've discussed 40, 20, 40 formula. So the 40, 20 formula means the relationship building, boss. 40% should be relationship building, 20% is sales, and then remaining 40% is again relationship building. Oh, Kunal, you have already tried that. Okay, awesome. Awesome. So please follow that 40, 20, 40 formula, guys. Got it, Shankar? So I hope that you follow all these techniques and you should get some clients for our group.
Yeah, got clear.
Yeah, awesome.
Thank you. Yeah,
awesome. Welcome. Any more questions, guys? 4 minutes more into the discussion so that we can wrap up. And Shomo, have you discussed with them about the portal that we are relaunching?
No, sir.
So can you also break that good news to everyone?
Yes. So team, I have got a very good news for you all, each and every member. We are again relaunching the SMVA CRM portal, and there are few small things which are pending. the credentials which are pending. So we will be completing it in the next couple of days time, and we will be sharing you all. Actually, the person who are associated with us for a longer time, they are familiar with it. So let me quickly show you what exactly I'm talking about, and after that I will be we will be giving a session as well for that particular thing. So this is the CRM portal which we are having. So I'm having one ID. Just a second, huh? I think yes. Kunalji is saved with me. Yeah, this is the portal. Kunalji, can you recollect this one?
Yes, Soma, yes.
Yes. So this is the portal where you will be getting all the vacancies. This is the knowledge bank section where we are uploading profiles. You can also view them. There are big number of, like, almost all the session profile, video link is there. So this we will be discussing in a greater, in a later half. And also the documents. This is a link. This is basically a startup kit one. You need to access it. That I will be telling you how you have to do it. Okay. So this is this particular segment for which I'm talking about, this CRM portal, and it will be a very seamless thing for us all to work simultaneously. Fine. So I will be sharing you all eventually, and so that the sharing of the profiles, the understanding everything, it will be great. Okay. So thank you guys for your presence, for your attendance for today's session. Hope it was a good discussion and a good learning session for you. And I will be requesting you to join our next session, where next fresh set of topics will be shared with you all, and new learnings will be implemented there. Right. So thank you all again, and have a great weekend.
Sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir.
Yes.
I have one question. Actually, 1 month ago, I sent a mail to a client.
Okay.
He asked for the proposal mail, and he told me he likes the mail and everything. But right now, he is not expanding. So, for future use, he will keep my mail.
Okay.
So I was thinking कि क्या हम लोग जैसे अभी नवरात्रि आ रही है तो एक हम सिर्फ एक ऐसा मेल ग्रीटिंग्स मेल डाल सकते हैं जिससे
of course Nidhi, what we do is
Yeah.
for every occasion, right, we send a greetings from SMVHO to all our clients.
Yes.
Right, irrespective of the clients. Our future previous clients also we send, our current clients we send, and in fact future clients like which you are currently having, we will be sending them a greetings mail, because it will be a continuity of the discussion.
Yeah, actually it will like a follow up, and we are not directly मतलब saying we are
निधि जी
following.
बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. इनफैक्ट मैं एक और चीज एडवाइस करता हूँ सबको, अगर कोई कॉल आपका आंसर नहीं कर रहा है ना, तो आप उसको केवल गुड मॉर्निंग लिख के एक है ना अच्छा सा इमेज लिख के भेज दीजिए. हमारे कई टीममेट्स को भी मैं ये एडवाइस करता हूँ, वो बोलते हैं हमारे कई क्लाइंट आंसर नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं डेली, जैसे मुन्ना भाई वाली पिक्चर देखी होगी आपने, राइट, जिसमें वो डेली वो एक रोज दे देता है.
Yes.
तो वही अपने को करना है कि भाई हम डेली गुड मॉर्निंग के लिए आपके सामने खड़े हो गए कि भाई वो उठा, हमारे शक्ल उसको रोज दिखाई दे रहा है. तो आपने क्या करना है कि इस तरीके से जैसे ग्रीटिंग्स का इमेज जो है वो हमारा, जैसे कल सौरभ ने जो लिंक शेयर किया था फेसबुक का, लिंक्डइन का, इंस्टाग्राम का, वहां पे हम हमेशा कोई ना कोई इमेज डालते हैं ग्रीटिंग्स की. जैसे आज हमारे वेस्ट बंगाल में शुभ महालया है, ठीक है, तो महालया का भी मान लीजिए एक इमेज होगा हमारा. तो आप ये चीज जरूर करें.
Yes sir, actually I also want this कि
हाँ
मतलब
जी।
एक indirect follow up भी हो and
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है। इनफैक्ट यही यही ट्रिक, यही बहुत अच्छा ट्रिक है कि सामने वाले को इनडायरेक्ट तरीके से आप अपने बारे में याद दिला रहे
yeah.
हैं।
Thank you sir.
वेलकम वेलकम।
Okay, thank you all people. I think we are in the end of the session. So meet you again on the next episode. So take care and bye everybody.
Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Bye.